Oh, I didn't see you guys there. Hello guys, Apel here, and this is my 30-second vlog. Okay, man, you guys miss me doing a vlog, right? Okay, of course you do. Okay, so today on this vlog, actually, I'm gonna talking about some stuff that I need to talk about. One, it's college stuff on semester 5, and then number 2 about my rent room, because my rent room is still okay, but I had to leave first because due to this pandemic COVID-19. So that means I'm going to back on the bedroom for doing some let's plays. Yeah, bedroom, okay. My bedroom, not my mom and dad's bedroom, not in the living room as well. So I can play in this bedroom of mine. Yeah. Okay, so the third one about sports, and yeah, sports. The third one is sports, and the fourth one is about what do you do in the pandemic COVID-19 while you're not at home. Okay, let's start with the first one, college stuff. So the college stuff is semester 5, right? Yeah, I have to say it again because I have to remind it to you guys. Because semester 5 I got how many is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think it's 6 or 7. So the courses are just 7, okay? 7 courses. 7 dalam bahasa Indonesia 7, okay? Only 7, okay? 7 courses. 7 mata kuliah. So there's in the IT on semester 5 we got 7, okay? I think it's 7. So on semester 5 I have courses. I have the courses that may be a little bit difficult in my opinion. Compilation techniques, mobile programming, web programming, game design programming, operating system, and then what's the 6th one? Oh, entrepreneurship is not that difficult. Entrepreneurship 2, and the last one. Do I say web programming? I don't know. I'm gonna tell this again. So we have operating system, web programming, operating system, web programming, game design programming, and then we have mobile programming, and then compilation techniques, entrepreneurship. Oh my god, I remember the last one. Hang on a minute, guys. What is the last one? Okay, by the way, there's 3 programming stuff, okay? Game design, web programming, game design programming, web programming, and mobile programming, okay? It looks like the programming on that one, it's a little bit difficult, in my opinion. So, jadi ketiga mata kuliah tersebut itu lebih sulit sih, kecuali kalau punya skill. Gue kan baru pertama kali, jadi harus diusahakan ya. Okay. Oh, the last one is computer graphics. Okay, yang ke-7. Okay, jadi ulang lagi dari awal ya. Yang pertama, web programming, operating system, game design programming. Yang ke-4 itu adalah web programming. Kelima, mobile programming. Yang ke-6, entrepreneurship kedua. Yang ke-7, computer graphics. Jadi itu ada 7 mata kuliah yang gue harus fokus. Jadi, ya. Oleh karena itu, dalam kuliah online ini, kayaknya gue nggak bisa upload video deh sampai tanggal 20 November. Bukan, maksudnya dari 20 November, kecuali kalau hari spesial baru bisa, oke? Soalnya masalahnya itu karena gue udah upload game-gamenya, video game-gamenya, game let's play-nya, walkthrough-nya ya. Dari tanggal berapa ya? 29 setelah gue menyelesaikan Henry Stickmin Collection sampai bagian 20 ya. Soalnya Bagian itu bagian terakhir dan merupakan ending terakhir, oke? Jadi selanjutnya itu, oh ya, program programming itu harus banyak codingannya sih, by the way. Sama laptop gue sudah install banyak aplikasinya sih buat codingan gitu, ya. Gue jelasin ya apa codingannya itu. Maksudnya aplikasinya. Aplikasi yang pertama itu Unity 3D. Unity 3D garing, sorry. Visual Studio Coding maksudnya. Visual Studio Code. Yang kedua itu Java. Yang ketiga itu Android Studio. Oke. Sama yang keempat XAMPP. Ya, ada 4. Menurut gue sih ada 4 ya, 4 atau 5 gitu. Komen di bawah ya kalau gua ketinggalan codingan aplikasi itu. Oke? Oke, selanjutnya itu pensi tahun ini di sekolah tercinta gua itu di Recis. Kalau nggak ada karena masih dalam pandemi COVID-19, oke? Jadi kenapa bisa nggak ada? Karena untuk menghindari dari penularan virus corona itu. Jadi ya. Alright, so what's next I'm gonna talk about? Oh ya. Kuliah semester 5 ini agak lebih ramai. Lebih ramai maksud gua dalam penjelasannya, to be precise maksud gua. So in order to do this, gua let's play-nya itu dari tanggal berapa ya? 22 November atau 21 November lah pas. Ya, 21 November. Kayaknya 21 November itu gua lanjutin dan upload video, tapi tanggal 22-nya sampai seterusnya gua prom gitu, kayak ada jeda, lanjut. Kalau gua nggak sibuk sama kuliah ya, gengs. Oke? Nah, yang kedua itu gua bicarakan tentang friend room gua. I miss Jakarta, man, but I had to clean up my room there. Clean things up, and take everything first because all of the students at BINUS, semua mahasiswa di BINUS itu pada keluar karena pandemi. Jadinya pada tinggal di rumah, entah di Jakarta atau di luar Jakarta. Kalau gue sih di Bogor sih, tapi gue harus ambil barang-barangnya dulu di kosan Jakarta sana. Jadi ya harus ambil dulu, dan clean up ya. Oke, yang ketiga, ngapain aja pas pandemi? Di rumah aja atau ada aktivitas lain? Nah itu. Gua ada aktivitas yang lain sih, itu main sepak bola. Bukan main sepak bola, tapi namanya main futsal. Habis itu main volley sih. Main futsalnya itu pas hari Senin sampai Jumat. Karena kan kondisi cuacanya masih memburuk karena kota hujan Bogor, the rain city ya. Gua nggak bisa main futsal sih kalau hujan gini, kecuali kalau cuacanya cerah. Gua main sih sebagai kiper. Gua udah improve sih skill gua jadi kiper. Kadang-kadang sih sedikit kesalahan gitu, karena melakukan kesalahan karena bukan sombong sih, karena banyak tekanan gitu. Ya itu aja sih. Terus main volley sih Sabtu Minggu, Senin sampai Jumat futsal, Sabtu Minggu main volley. Main volley itu sama siapa, Avel? Main volley-nya itu sama orang-orang dewasa. Tetangga sih, by the way, tetangga gua ya. Seru sih, main volley lebih seru daripada futsal. You guys agree with me? Menurut gua sih lebih seru main futsal. Main futsal mah lebih seru kalau banyak penontonnya sih ya. Kalau main sama orang dewasa itu pas main volley ya. Main volley itu lebih seru loh, banyak. Kan futsal kan entah berapa orang deh, 5 orang deh kalau nggak salah. 5 orang kan? 5 atau 7 lah, lupa, 5 sampai 7. Tapi 6 orang tuh di volley, soalnya kan cuma kayak gini, smash gitu sama mukul bola gitu ya. Ya, that was awesome, really. Cuacanya sih lebih buruk sih, cuacanya nggak terlalu buruk kayak ada angin gede gitu. Tadi sih baru ada angin gede, tapi udah reda gitu ya. Selanjutnya yang ketiga. Yang ketiga, itu bagus sih ketiga baru yang ketiga yang tentang ngapain aja di nuansa lagi. Ngapain aja Pel kalau di rumah keluar gitu, main sama tetangga gitu lah maksudnya. Ya. Yang keempat, let's play. Let's play. Ya. Gua sih ada let's play baru sih atau walkthrough baru, yaitu FIFA 8 Schalke Let's Play. Apa lagi ya, 50 Cent Bulletproof yang gua rencanain sekarang. Rencana ini udah ngasih tahu sekarang tapi belum dimainin ya. And after that, what's next ya? Need for Speed Underground, and then Street Racing Syndicate, and then Formula 106 guys, Formula 1 2006. That's once I want to play that game, okay? Okay, so what's next about this? I think jerseys I'm gonna put back at my home because, like I said, clean things up and take it back to my home. And gaming not just do at my home, it's at my bedroom, okay? Like I said, not there, but at my home, okay? Good. So, I'm gonna talk about something I need to tell you guys about. Oh yeah, is this kuliah online sama sekolah online sama tuh beda? Menurut gue sih beda. Kenapa beda? Karena menurut gue ya, ini apa? Menurut gue itu kalau kuliah online itu kadang-kadang di WebEx sama Zoom. Tapi kalau di sekolah sih beda sih, sekolah online. Gue curhat sama saudara gue, Randy. Dia ini apa? Kalau sekolah, gua ngobrol sama ade Randy, saudara gue. Jadi dia curhat gue, Apel atau Apel, apa bedanya ya kuliah online sama sekolah online? Atau gue ngomong sebaliknya sih, gue ngomong jelasin sih apa bedanya. Beda sih, menurut gue sih beda ya. Kalau kata Randy sih, saudara gue itu ini apa? Sekolah online itu banyakkan di Google Classroom sama di WebEx Meeting. Menurut dia, ya. Oke. Kalau sekolah itu sampai sore sih, tapi kalau kuliah online mah santai-santai aja. Pagi sampai jam 11, terus ada jeda, terus ada kuliah lagi sore jam setengah 4 sampai jam 5. Gitu aja. Oke? Now, that's 4 let's plays I need to edit for a while, okay? And I will inform it soon again, okay? For an update for an upcoming new walkthroughs, okay? Okay, so on the next day I'm gonna do some cleanup, okay? And then travel to Jakarta on car, of course, on car, yeah? Travel on car di atas. In car, travel to Jakarta in car, in a vehicle, okay? So, I'll see you guys in the next morning, and then travel to Jakarta, okay? I'll see you guys in the morning, okay? Hey guys, it's me again. I almost forgot to tell you guys one thing. You guys missed me doing a cover songs, right? So yeah, don't worry guys, I'll do a recording of the cover songs on October, okay? If you guys really do miss cover songs, if you guys already requested, don't worry. I upload it soon, okay, on October, okay? So it's already in the middle of the night, so yeah. Sorry guys, I almost forgot to tell about that one actually. Not forgot, but almost forgot to tell you about the song cover. Okay. Alright, guys. I'll see you guys in the morning. By the way, almost forgot. I'm gonna transform into home clothes into clean one, you know, fashionable one, okay? Baju biasa maksudnya. Bukan dari baju biasa ke baju pergi gitu maksud gua ya. From the normal clothes into the travel clothes, okay? But not in traveling like hiking, no, it's different, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna transform into the travel clothes, baju pergi, okay? Transformasi ke baju pergi sekarang. Tada! What do you think? Looking handsome, right? So yeah, Liverpool, by the way, I'm using the jersey. So Liverpool already won 3-1 against Arsenal. So Lacazette scored first, and then actually Arsenal strikes first with Alexander Lacazette's goal. The second one came to 1-1 with Sadio Mane. Third one, Andy Robertson. And fourth one, debuted Diogo Jota. Yeah. Alright guys, it's time to go, okay? Don't worry, there's only one thing I need to use. The face mask. Masker dalam bahasa Indonesia-nya. Jangan lupa ya pakai masker guys kalau pergi keluar. Kan new normal ini kok, ya. Okay guys, remember, new normal, don't forget to wear the face mask, okay? Kalau kalian pergi keluar. Alright guys, so let's go. Oh yeah, I have to close it like install, I guess I did there. Okay guys, anyways, let's go to Jakarta. Okay, so I'll see you guys there. Hi guys, I'm in the street now. So who's driving? This is my driver, of course. And there's my father in the front, my brother, saudara gua di depan. Yeah. Okay, so I'm in the street of Bogor. Habis lewat jembatan merah. Yeah. Sorry, I was looking at the phone because someone's chatting at me. Okay. Alright. Okay, so street looks different now because I miss Bogor, man. The new version of Bogor, but yeah, I miss the outside world, of course. Wow, I'm doing some gaming stuff and you know, yeah. Okay, so yeah. So I think yeah. So I'm thinking about this vlog maybe long or not. I guess not. I do believe not. Or travel to Jakarta, yeah. Wait, oh yeah. Kalian bakal nanya, Afel nyokapnya nggak ikut, sibuk ini apa? Di rumah sih, nggak bisa keluar, pengen di rumah soalnya ingin hindari apa teh COVID-19. Jadi ya, so sorry guys, harus hindari COVID-19. Yes, I know it's a new normal, but pengen di rumah aja gitu biar nggak kena COVID gitu, ya. Okay, that's all I'm gonna say, right? Bisa kecilin nggak radionya biar nggak kena copyright?
Kamu bahasanya jangan dicampur-campur gitu.
Oh, my father said jangan campur-campur. Maaf ya. Oke, jadi bahasa Indonesia aja. Jadi gue di jalan Bogor dan banyak sih yang gue kangenin nih. Lecis Bogor, Jakarta juga kok. Gue juga kangen Jakarta kok. Ya, Lecis Bogor, my beloved school, you know. And then my rent room, Pinus as well. Don't worry guys, I will show you my school there. Okay. Oh yeah, the bro, he's kind of shy. Don't want to see this face. My father is in the front. Oke, lewat balai kota. Gua kasih lihat ya jalanannya. Maaf ya kalau kameranya agak pantulan dikit. Oke, gua kasih lihat ya, gengs. Ya. Bentar lagi sampai. Nah, sekolah gua di sini nih. Nah, Ricis Bogor di sini. Ya. Yeah, I missed the Ricis Bogor. Yeah. Okay. So, alumni by the way. I'm alumni Ricis. I don't think alumni Ricis going to Ricis then. I don't know. In my opinion, there's nobody there. Because, yes, I know they finished the. Oh ya, mau bahasa Inggris lagi. Gue tahu mereka pada menyelesaikan penilaian tengah semester tanggal 23 September. Berarti hampir seminggu yang lalu. Udah seminggu yang lalu. Ya. Jadi ya, nothing else to say. Mereka baru selesai penilaian tengah semester lewat online gitu. Ya, itu aja. Now let's go drive to Jakarta, yo. Oh yeah, also I almost forgot to mention you guys. Tugu Kujang gue juga kangen kok. Tugu Kujang, Botani, yeah. Everything looks different now. Mereka pada jaga jarak dalam menggunakan new normal. Menggunakan new normal maksudnya dalam protokol new normal maksudnya. Oke. Pakai pada pakai masker gitu. PSBB, ya, tunggu sebentar ya. Ayo dulu, ayah PSBB masih ada nggak sih?
Jakarta.
Oh, Jakarta masih guys PSBB. Kalau Bogor udah enggak. Tapi tetap aja yang masih ada nurun sih, ada nurun terus naik lagi gitu. Turun dikit, turunnya cepat, tapi naik sedikit gitu. Maksudnya, yang kena kasus COVID gitu, ya. Okay, so word on the street is that this might be tricky or not tricky. You have to keep the distance, you know. Oh ya, saya hampir mau ngasih tahu ke kalian bahwa percaya atau tidak, bulan Desember 2020 atau Januari 2021 itu kalian bakal disuntik pakai vaksin corona. Berdasarkan di beritanya. I'm gonna spend it again. Ayah, ya, itu vaksin corona udah jadi belum sih? Belum ya. By the way, bulan ini belum jadi. Tapi harus disuntik kan pakai itu? Ya harus disuntik guys. Berani atau tidak, kalian harus berani disuntik ya. Just like me, disuntik. Dulunya sih nggak berani, sekarang udah berani ya. Oke? Yes, going back to my town that I was born, Jakarta. Okay, so alright. Oh iya, saya lupa satu lagi. Gua bisa main lagi di kamarnya saya sendiri nanti. Gua uploadnya sih rada telat sih, tapi vlognya nggak telat sih, tapi cuma gamenya doang yang telat, video gamingnya yang telat uploadnya ya, yang gua rekam di kamar gua sendiri. Oke? Alright guys, sampai ketemu di Jakarta ya. Oke, here we are guys, Jakarta. Oh, it's too bright, sorry. Oh man, I can see the city, man. Hang on a minute, guys. Wait for it. And there he is. Okay, I know the place. Yeah. I miss my hometown, so yeah. But it's my driver driving there, okay? But you can't see the face, sorry. Last time I leave Jakarta was on March, right? April, May, June, July, August, September. Yeah, 6 months. I left Jakarta 6 months ago. Jadi tinggal Jakarta 6 bulan yang lalu. Yeah. Man, miss my town where I was born, really. Okay. Jadi gue mulai bersihin kos sekarang, dibantu sama bokap sama saudara gue, ya. Ya, bokap sama saudara gue, okay? Alright guys, nothing else to say about that one. After that, yeah. Oh ya, bagaimana dengan clean up montage? I got an idea. I think I'm gonna go for the time-lapse stuff, okay? Yeah, time-lapse stuff. I already downloaded it again, by the way, because I deleted a month ago. Now I already downloaded it and do some montage, okay? Yeah. I'll see you guys at my rent room. Oh, sebelum saya ke kosan sama saudara gua dan nyokap sama supir gua, kita mengenang gedung-gedung ini. Jadi gua inget sih pas gua lewat sini gedungnya, wow, tinggi sekali ya, keren, you know, ya. Yeah. Oke, oh ya, ada sedikit info tentang sepak bola lagi. City dibantai sama Leicester City 5-2 guys. Jamie Vardy gila, jago banget sekarang, mantap dia mainnya, hat-trick juga lah by the way. Iya, banyak ada yang super sub, tahunya sih Yuri Tielemans kalau nggak salah namanya, gue lupa. Gila, super sub banget mereka ya. Ada yang super sub, cuma satu super sub yang nggak tahu gue. Yang penting mainnya udah hebat gitu loh ya. Kayaknya Leicester City balik ke UCL deh kalau nggak salah musim depan, ya. Menurut gue sih gitu, ya. Oke. Alright, so Jakarta mendung sih. Melihat kondisinya mendung. I'm not sure this is gonna be worse condition than Bogor, but I do believe both Bogor and Jakarta in the rain are having a worse condition, I guess. If in the rain, because there's a wind and rain and the storm too, rainstorm, ya. Jadi ada angin, hujan, sama petir, kilat, ya. Terus gue jadi kangen hunting dari Jakarta ini. Asli Car Free Day gitu. Terus gue kangen kangen naik kereta subway, ya. Ya, banyak kangen di sini gue. Kereta subway hunting di CFD, Car Free Day. Ya, hunting di Taman Kalijodo. Ya, banyak sih yang gue kangen ini. Binus juga kangen kok. Teman-teman gue Binus, teman-teman Regis gue sih situ juga ada kok, sama teman-teman teman-teman sekelas pas gue kelas 12, kelas 11, kelas 10 juga sekelas, yang SMA by the way, oke? So there's no much else to say about I'm missing the place, yeah. Okay, some for real guys. Oh yeah, by the way, I really do miss them both my senior high school friends and my college friends too. Okay guys, I'll see you back. I'll see you at my rent room. Okay, see you there. Alright guys, Apel here, and this is it, the place. Alright. By the way, the place is already cleaned up, by the way. But it just only pack things up only, that's all. So yeah. So the TV is gonna be back to Bogor, so that's why I can play again in the bedroom of mine at Bogor. Man, can you feeling the vibes I've been here before? Of course you do. Yeah. That's my bedroom. Bathroom. Not bedroom, but bathroom. Yeah. And my rooms are about to clean this one up, guys. Really. Yeah. Okay, guys. Oh, hang on. Someone just called me. I'll be back, guys. Okay, guys. I'm back again after phone calls. Well, I think I'm gonna be miss this place for real. I think I'm gonna miss Jakarta as well again. But I don't know, guys. Gua balik ke Jakarta bulan Februari deh. Kalau COVID-19-nya udah reda, oke? Ya. And yeah, aku lihat ini. Ah ya. Oh, it's my papa and my driver. Ya. Udah bersih ya, by the way. Cuma tinggal masukin aja. Sama baju-bajunya yang belum masukin.
Kopinya. Ini kasur masuk kita ya?
Iya, kasur-kasur gitu.
Udah masukin aja.
Dan semuanya ya.
Ditumpuk itu rapi. Yang nanti mana? Ini mas. Bajunya.
Yang gonna mean, guys.
Biar rapi.
Okay.
Enggak gini.
I'm gonna do clean things up, guys. So yeah.
Muat banyak.
Alright guys, I'm done with cleaning up the room as with my father and my driver as well as my brother, my bro. Alright, it's time to go back home. Yeah. But I think I'm gonna do, put everything back up in my house, and yeah, that's it. Well, I think I'm gonna miss my old room, guys. Room 309. But I'm going to move to the new room, guys. 104. I think pindah ke ruang kamar baru dari 309 ke 104. Jadi ya. Oke guys, aduh nggak kelihatan ya di sini. Maaf ya kalau gelap. Oke guys, ya itu aja sekedar infonya. Oke guys, jadi selanjutnya gua bakal apa ya, oh ya, jelasin satu lagi, review jersey di Instagram. Kayaknya gua masih sih, tapi di YouTube kayaknya nggak bisa deh, bisanya di Instagram sih. So ya, itu aja guys tentang kita info update-nya aja. Oke, itu aja guys. Terima kasih untuk menonton. Gua akan kembali ke Jakarta sama bokap, sopir gua sama adik gua, bro gua. Oke, I'll see you guys later guys. Thank you for watching. Stay safe guys, stay cool. Goodbye and take care.